So, hello, nandito naman ako sa Assam. Having my iced coffee. And reviewing my notes para di ko pala disclose ko pa rin nire-review ko para surprise! Actually, it's blooming here kanina sa office after work kasi ang dami talagang paperworks. Hi again! So, still at Assam. Enough po kanina kasi baka makaka-copyright yung video na ako. But anyways, as what I've said dito ako sa Assam, may ginagawa kasi ako. May nire-review ako but I cannot disclose sa inyo. Disclose ko na pa-final. Actually, namas ako ng office at around 5 ba na yun. Tapos dumiretso na ako dito sa Assam just to have my iced coffee. And nag-message ako kay Sir yung I'm waiting here. I don't know if pupunta sila kasi hindi man na-reply. But anyway, sana pupunta. So, for this past few days, umulitas ako ng oil. So, ngayon dito ako. Ano nangyari? Madaming it's very productive week to the extent. Pero di conclusion ko, I'm so much tired but still grateful. And guwapa na ginagawa ko. And yeah, I thank you so much sa pananood ng video ko. If you have any comments, recommendation, you can comment down and magre-reply naman ko. Maraming salamat sa pananood. Although, wala naman masyado comment, likes. It's okay lang. Basta may nanonood ng video. It's not a hell week, but it's a great start for 2025. Nasa favorite spot ng Assam. Kanina na-order, actually ang in-order ko if you are familiar with Dunkin, yung combo 2, which is 120 pesos. Meron na siyang large na iced coffee and premium donut. Hindi yata nakikinig ang cashier kanina, so may punch niya separately. I just separately coffee and the premium donut is 40 pesos and then yung upgrade 5 pesos lang naman ang difference but I notify her na yung order is combo 2. So pag combo 2 tapos mag-upgrade ka 15 pesos parang ano siya 135 pesos yung nabayaran ko is 140. So notify ko lang nag-smile lang ko sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung nakapagod na din ang hangkol ng kakawin. Pagod na din sila ng naghahabang kakawin tayo. Kaya, although it upset me a little, but I'm so grateful kasi may upuan ako, nakakabay ako. And I'll be waiting if dadaan sila dito. Kasi parang the next day, although makikita nyo itong video ko next week na. Pero the next day, parang pupunta ako ng office kasi I'll be doing my paperwork kasi madami. Hindi naman siya pending but madami lang talaga na dapat ubusin. Kasi next week, mag-a-add na naman. So dapat meron siya. Ano ba yan? Yung parang pang backup na you have to double time your work para ma-last paperworks. And then, I have also to review some notes, some previous notes, and everything para ma-refresh ako kasi hindi na ako nakaka-review ng holidays. Ngayon ko lang ulit na open to. And ito ko na ulit na browse. So I have to refresh my brain cells para during yun, at least alam ko ang sasagot. And I am also very grateful because you know, binigyan ako ng chance Tay pala. Please yung vlog ko, it's not really, wala talagang niche, kung ano-ano lang, kaya nga very raw video, unfiltered, kasi kung ano yung video ko, yun yung ina-upload ko. But I am happy naman, so nag-vlog lang ako. It's one way of relieving my stress, for stressful things, kaya ang dami talagang changes sa office, madaming bago, kaya madaming bagong policy na ina-implement. You need also to be updated para at least alam mo kung ano yung sa especially starting off the year, ang dami mga establish na targets and policies na really needed. Also yung mga partners to be informed. Thank you so much guys. I'm so much grateful. This will be another year vlogging. First vlog. Parang artist pala. Hindi naman ako artist. But I'm happy doing my vlogging person. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-vlog. At least nakakinabangan ko yung free time. Although yeah, it's mostly talking vlog, my after work na activity. Yun lang yung naman-vlog ako. Kung may mga activity ako, pinapakita ko sa iyo kung ang ginagawa ko. Yun naman. I'm happy with that. And I have to ma-appreciate mo din ang magaling vlog. Thank you so much sa pag-support. Although super malayo na maka-earn, but I am so much grateful na naka-establish ako na vlogging. Kaya thankful ako guys. Anyways, it's already 6:12 and hindi sila na may message sa akin. I am telling Sir Benaims nasa SM. I don't know if pupunta sila. Kasi kayo na kasi early kasi ako. Always naman ako early kung pupunta sa office mga 10 minutes to 7 a.m. or mga past 7 a.m. I sit to it early kasi gusto ko kasi work lang early. Kaya ako lang late na makapunta sa office. Although, yung official time is 8 in the morning na 8 to 9 in the morning. That's the official time. Yung latest sa is 9:01 onwards. But I usually practice 7 or 7 a.m. 6:30 means last year 6:30 para pag matapos ang work mga around 2:30 or 3 p.m. relax na ako, nag-fix na ako ng gamit. And also pag late ako nag-start like mga past 7 nag-start ng work, I'm so weak. Feeling ko tinatamad ako mag-trabaho. See you, I'll just have a bit later.